Pull up this wallet. $2.9 million from coin launches. Not one trade, not one chart chase, just controlled launches. I'm going to show you exactly how to copy it. I used to think the only way to make money in crypto was by buying low and praying it pumps. But the more I traded, the more I realized I was always one step behind. The truth, the real money isn't in buying someone else's meme coin, it's in launching your own. That's where the real leverage is. When you launch, you are setting the rules, you decide the supply, the timing, the liquidity. You're not gambling, you're building the whole entire play. And once buyers start flooding inside your coin, the chart goes vertical. And you're already at the top. That's why launching meme coins is the move in 2025. You're not just chasing gains, you are creating them from thin air. And before we get started, you have to know that this video does not constitute financial advice and it's all made with ChatGPT, so yeah. Cap. Now Pump.Fun might be popular but it's flooded. Too many coins launching every minute, all fighting for attention. Your project gets buried fast and you're stuck without control over the liquidity. So even if you're up $10,000 off one coin, you cannot even remove the liquidity. But with Create Tokens.io, you launch directly on Raydium. You own 100% of your liquidity and your coin gets instantly graduated so it's tradable right away. That means more visibility, more buyers, and faster traction without wasting time in a crowded system. Create Tokens.io is the play. Now when you are ready to launch your meme coin on Create Tokens.io, you've got two clean options. First, build a coin from scratch. So go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative. It could be a political event, a Twitter meme, or anything blowing up online. For example, this tweet right here is a perfect example. Then name it, choose a ticker symbol, and upload a quick 128 by 128 logo. Hit next and you are ready to move forward. Second is my personal favorite and the most profitable, the Copy Trending Coins tab. This posts proven winners straight from Pump.Fun, coins that already have traffic, attention, and real volume. You just click the copy and it's instantly live on Raydium. Because you are cloning coins with hype baked in, you'll get instant buyers on Raydium and a much higher profit potential right out the gate. That's the power of Raydium. Both work, but that second method is where I've seen the fastest flips and the biggest gains happen. Anyways, let's just get into it. No more waiting. We're launching a coin right now and then making a lot of money. You will see, trust me. So first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom. It's that simple, just yeah. Then refresh this to have all the new coins. Okay, I'm gonna copy the... I'm gonna go with... Oh my god, which coin? I don't want to drag this video too long, but I'm gonna go with the Alu in new coin because it has a last buy 7 seconds ago and a $26,000 market cap and it's a dog. So we're gonna create coin, then just ignore the warning and do proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created slowly. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super straightforward. It's where we add the liquidity pool. This step lets people trade your token onto Raydium instantly. Once it's done, your coin becomes fully active on chain. Now for the amount token A, click 90%. That'll put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. For token B, just remember this is your own buy. You are not losing anything, you're simply becoming the first buyer of your own coin. Use at least 0.3 SOL. It's locked during the liquidity phase and you'll get it back later once you remove the pool. So you have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, click create pool, then click on confirm. After that, click on refresh once it's done, and if you scroll down, boom, the Ino coin is now live. Our profits are at $0. But if you simply re-click on refresh once again, now we are up $151, which means people are actively buying your coin. Click on view on Photon to see the chart, and boom, the coin is live. Let me just give it a bit of seconds for it to load, because these are late buys, by the way. Now literally all you have to do is just sit back, watch your market cap spike, and yeah bro, I'll be right back to cash out profits, so enjoy the show. Okay guys, I'm back. Looks like we're at the $3,500 market cap and $1,600 in liquidity. I'm gonna take out profits right now. It is still pumping. Come back to createtokens.io. Then first of all, before you make money, click on refresh. And boom, now we're up $1,3500 right in profits with a $3,300 market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100% of the liquidity, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet. And as you guys can see, we're going to be up 9 SO in profit. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you do it. I just made a shit ton of money. If I open my phantom wallet for proof, boom, all the money is there.